Question 12. Consider the electrochemical cell Fe solid to Fe2 plus aqueous, Ag2 plus aqueous to Ag solid. Which statement is correct? A. Reduction occurs at the ion electrode. B. The ion electrode functions as an anode. C. Electrons flow from silver electrode to iron electrode. D. Oxidation occurs at the silver electrode. The correct answer is B. Explanation. In a galvanic cell, the anode is where the oxidation happens. Iron is oxidized, so the iron electrode is the anode.